Greetings, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to Guaranty RV Supercenters here in Junction City, Oregon. My name is Eric Saxog, and today I'm going to be giving you a brief tutorial on this brand new 2019 Thor Aria 3901. This is a beautiful coach. It has lots of features inside that I'm sure you're going to love. Let's go in and have a look around. Right, starting in the back of this brand new 2019 Aria 3901, there is lots of space back here, as you can see. I mean, I'm not quite touching on either side. And as you can see, we've got a nice big shower back here. So this is a one-piece molded shell, no seams at the bottom or anything. I'm 5'9", I'm about 200 pounds, and as you can see, I've got lots of room to move about in here. Nice feature, you got a place to sit in here as well, no worries. And then you've also got a washer dryer stack that's already been installed, no worries, straight from the factory. As we work our way out into the bedroom, you might have noticed when we were walking in that tilt-a-view sign, that refers to the bed. So you do have a king-size bed back here. It is on a head tilt. That'll make it real easy to watch TV before you're going to bed, or if you've got someone that has some breathing issues like COPD, raising the head can actually be very beneficial and help that person breathe a little more. You do, of course, have big cabinet space back here as well. You've got all these beautiful hardwood face cabinets. You got more big cabinet space back here. Good to go. As we get into the bathroom here, this is a half bath, and as you can see, again, I got lots of room to move around in here, no worries. You've even got a nice big his and hers medicine chest back here as well, plus plenty of storage down below the sink. As we get out into the kitchen, you do, of course, have these nice, beautiful pantry slides right here, and that's going to be real handy, top and bottom. Another nice thing to talk about is this beautiful residential refrigerator that does have an ice maker in it, as you would expect. And then you do, of course, have your induction cooktop. So from there, you're going to have a lot of extra space down below, including that nice big drawer there for pots and pans. You do also have this beautiful residential size Whirlpool convection unit up top, and that basically is going to allow you to do everything that you would at home. So you can roast a chicken in there, you can bake a lasagna in there. There's no shortage of what you can and can't do, no worries. You also got a nice big twin basin sink up here, these beautiful flush mount solid surface countertops, and then one of the best features about this kitchen space as a whole is actually going to be this space right here. Now, most of the time when you're used to seeing something like this, you're used to it being kind of flimsy, just kind of hanging there. As you'll note, this rolled out right across the floor, and I can put my entire 200-pound body weight on that without ill effect. So really a nice boon to have here in the kitchen. You've got a nice big space back here for dining. You can easily seat 4 people back there. Big TV there. You've also got that beautiful fireplace down below for the living space. That's going to create a nice level of ambiance, really give you that home away from home type of feel. One of the other wonderful features about this is going to be theater style seating. These are wall hugging recliners, so you can very easily kick back and relax at the end of the day, enjoy a movie, enjoy a ball game. Cup holders are of course in the right spot, and then you are going to have the sleeper sofa there behind you. Another feature about this, you've got the 500-pound capacity bunk bed coming out of the ceiling. This is a full-size bed, so you can very easily sleep 2 adults up there if you like. Moving on to the front of the coach, this is of course going to be on a Freightliner chassis. Both of these seats are going to rotate around 180 degrees, and you do have 6-way power for both of them as well. Another nice thing about this, you are going to have your auto leveling here, and you are going to have 6-speed transmission, 360 horsepower engine. You do have 10,000 pounds towing. With that, that's about all the time I have to talk about the inside of this coach. Let's go have a wonderful look at the exterior. Right, on the outside of this brand new Aria 3901, check out the beautiful paint job that's on this. This is a full body paint. Thor, of course, uses Sikkens paint. The beautiful thing about the Sikkens paint is that it never truly hardens 100%. So when you get a beautiful cold morning like this, or you go down to Arizona and get really hot temperatures, you're not going to have that paint chipping up and flaking off and cracking or anything like that. Beautiful thing. As we go around, the one thing that you'll see is that you've got lots of bright space in here for the storage bays, and that's kind of a handy thing. That's going to make it so that you can see in here a lot easier. The other thing that you'll see is that you've got a beautiful all the way full pass-through storage tray here. And one of the nice things about this, it's kind of hard to see in these low light conditions, but this has the Atlas foundation. And you've heard about Winnebago's Maxim foundation, you've heard about Newmar's Star foundation. The Atlas foundation is one that's engineered by Thor, and basically from there they have contracted MotorRide to build it. Now what that really means to you is that you've actually got a foundation here that's strong enough to put a big full wall slide. Want to know how strong your foundation really is? Look for the full wall slide. That's an easy telltale sign. You've got more storage, and more storage down the entire length of this coach. You're going to have your easy access for your battery terminals as well. Note the frameless windows on here. It's a beautiful thing. And from there, you are of course going to have your 10,000-pound tow hitch back here. You are of course going to have your rear view camera up top for backing up. And then from there, the other cool thing about this is the wet bay. And yeah, the wet bay is fine to look at, but check this out. The slide, this is your bedroom slide up top. And I really don't have to, really scrunch down like on other coaches. I have very easy and very ready access to this whole area back here without having to really worry too much about squatting down and damaging my knees to get under that slide. Really makes it very nice and gives it a whole new level of user friendliness. And then of course on the other side you're going to have more storage, and more storage, and a big huge propane tank and battery bay there. Ladies and gentlemen, that's about all the time I have to talk about this brand new Thor Aria 3901. As I'm sure you're aware, there's a lot of fine little details that I haven't had a chance to talk about, and believe me, I'd love to have a conversation so you and your family can make an informed decision. Please feel free to contact me using the contact information below on the screen, or if you'd like, feel free to contact me direct on my cell phone. That number is 541-513-3171. I hope you're all having a wonderful day, and please remember, we're always here to help.